All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It is finally here. I ordered this a few days ago and it came in today. This is the new Pocket 3. I still have my Pocket 2. I'm thinking about selling it. I'm not sure yet, but this one right here is definitely a big upgrade over the other version that I have. This one has a 1-inch sensor now, folks. That's supposed to be really good. When I first got the Pocket 2, I was really excited about it. Use it a lot. It's good for vlogging and everything. You just have to be in a well-lit area to get the really good quality out of that thing. But this one with the 1-inch sensor, I'm hoping that it's a lot better. It has a rotating screen as well, vertical or horizontal. So depending on what you're trying to do, you can do YouTube Shorts or Instagram, whatever you're doing. It's going to be a lot easier. 3-axis gimbal this time, and it's got Active Tracks 6.0. So, full pixel fast focusing with D-Log M and 10-bit. This should be pretty good. Now, I'm not gonna probably get that tech savvy with it, and do a whole bunch of stuff like that, but I had to read those specs to you because that's important. So I'll let you look at the box as well. I can get this in here. There we go. Let's see if we can get this thing set up right. Thank you guys for checking out my video on my new knife. I did a separate video on that. It was a gift. I really like it. And that'll be my only unboxing knife going forward unless I get another gift like that. So here's the box right here. Again, you can pause this and look at it if you want to check it out. All the information pretty much that I just read off is there. And I got the creator's kit. I didn't just get the basic kit. I got the one with the microphone because when I'm doing videos and stuff like that, I want to get the best audio. And so on my, I guess I didn't have to cut that. On my other videos, see, there's a pull tab right here. On my other videos, I never really use a mic. I end up using the S23 Ultra for the noise canceling. I use a mic sometimes, but I don't use it as much as I should. And so this creator's kit right here should be pretty nice. See all the stuff that comes in the box here. You got a bunch of materials and literature. Oh, you got some kind of DJI thing there. I'm gonna have to check that out. See what's in this box right here. This might be the creator's combo kit, the rest of the stuff. Let's see here. I like that this has the extended battery too. Oh, this is the kit, the cover for it. Yeah, I've been waiting on this, man. When I saw it, yeah, it's definitely, this is definitely different than the other one I have. So it's just different, it's bigger. I'll show you in a second. But this is the protective cover, like I was saying. So this is pretty sweet. Shows you how to put it in just like before. But let's go ahead and get this put away. Now let's get into the actual device. Pretty nice. All right, there's the cover. This is pretty cool. I bought this on Amazon. My bad, guys, I got a phone call. I didn't buy this from Amazon, I got this from Best Buy. I was gonna get it from DJI directly. That phone call totally distracted me. I was gonna get this from DJI directly, but I didn't like how they were, I just decided to get it from Best Buy. I can get it faster too. With DJI, it seems like for me, their shipping was going to be a long time. So I was like, screw it. I'll just get it from Best Buy. They had them in stock ready to go. And I was like, sweet, I got it. So I got this in 2 days. This is a much nicer kit than I thought it was going to be. And also this thing is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Oh yeah, this is sweet, man. Oh yeah. I guess with that 1-inch sensor, it's going to be bigger. Like the overall device itself got some weight to it now. It's got some grip on it. Man, you got the controls down here now. You got this joystick right here is permanent on there. I'll bring in my my DJI Action 2 here in just a second. But here is that extended battery, which I'll probably live with this thing on. I think if you get this, man, you should just get the creator's kit because it's just totally worth it. Yeah, this is the extended battery on here. Ooh, yeah, I'm gonna just keep that on for grip. This is what I really wanted, this DJI microphone. Oh man, I'm gonna charge all this up and I'll try to get you some content in this video. But if not, just consider this the unboxing. I've always wanted this right here. I've always wanted better audio. And I said, I'm gonna invest in it myself, you know what I mean? And what is this right here? Oh, this is another battery. Oh, this is the, oh, this, I got the creator's kit. So I got this extended joint. Whoa, this is another battery. I got my bifocals on. Let me see here. This is definitely a battery right here. Yeah, this is definitely a battery. And maybe this is another extended battery for this joint. Wow, okay. That's what's up. I gotta look back at this creator kit and see what all you get. Cause I definitely hit buy quickly. I was like, I gotta get this joint. Let me see what, I'm gonna click on this creator combo and see what I get here. This is the tripod joint for to stand it up so you can vlog. Right here. Yeah, these are nice. These come a dime a dozen, but you definitely, yeah, you need these when you're gonna vlog. Yeah, so this is the battery handle right here. And I guess this is for, I wish I had my bifocals on when mounting. Let me pause and see if I could zoom in on this. Yeah, so this is just the normal base that goes onto the bottom. I won't ever use this, so I might as well just bag this back up, but it is there. And then you get a lens cover for the camera there. Here's the wind filter. This is something that I will need where I live because, man, I'm telling you, this thing, where I live, I need a good wind filter. So it goes on like that. Very nice. I'm gonna charge all this up. Let's see here. Lanyard. And then here's the charging Type-C cable. I like that it comes in this little pouch right here. This is really nice. So I'm gonna clear all this off and I'm gonna bring in my Pocket 2 and show you the size comparison. So as you can see here, definitely a difference in size. That's to be expected though. Because of the upgrade here, I would hope that they did do something better than keep the size the same. But you can see how big it is. The camera module itself is just huge in comparison. Let me turn this on here. You can see here just the difference here in the size. Let me turn this gimbal is crazy, but this is just much better, bigger. I mean, it's just a good look, and I can't wait to start using this. I'm really ready to vlog with it because I really like vlogging with the DJI Pocket 2. It's just that I need to be in such a well-lit area. It just was, you know, I really couldn't really have that much good time with it indoors. It almost looked fuzzy sometimes indoors, but that's the Pocket 2. Pocket 2 is phenomenal outdoors, man. I mean, it's ridiculously good outdoors. So I'm gonna peel this off and we'll get this thing set up. I think when you flip this open, it powers on. Yep, powers on when you flip it open. And it is right on. So I'll just take you through the setup real briefly. We're gonna do English. Accept. And this is what you'll do when you get it. I already have the app, obviously. So, you know, it knows it's me. So, all right, let's activate, log in. So as you can see here, this is just a live view, but I'll put that aside for now. But let's just swipe in here and show you the menu here. Those are things I recorded already. So let's swipe this way. You can see glamour effect is off. Image arrangement is adjustable there, normal. Swipe up, this is where I'm going to. And let's see here. I wonder if it'll give me the facial recognition with the 60 frames per second, because face tracking isn't available when you do 60 frames per second on the Pocket 2. So this is how you switch it around. Wow, that quality is ridiculous, man. Oh my gosh, folks, this is phenomenal quality. Wow, that is crazy. So that's the face tracking. All right. Yeah, it's got it. Oof. I think you have to be on 30 frames per second. Let me see here. No, looks like it's good. Yeah, face tracking is on. Face auto detect, yeah, that's nice. You swipe up here, dynamic framing. Then this is where you rotate 90 degrees for the spin shot. Okay, cool. So face tracking is definitely on. You can see a little box right here. I can tell you this quality is worlds different than the Pocket 2. I really hate to be like that, but man, it really is. Like, this quality is ridiculous. I got to give you a quick vlog with this thing, man, to compare, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So let me go ahead and cut here and get some footage from this bad boy. All right, guys. So here's the Pocket 3, man. Face tracking is enabled at 60 frames per second. I really love it. Like, ooh, it's following me. So nice, man. So yeah, this is definitely different quality than the Pocket 2. And vlogging with this thing is going to be really, really nice. So also what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit in a spot where I normally vlog at. I'm going to post up there and show you what I'm talking about for quality wise. But first, let me show you the Pocket 2's quality standing right here. All right, guys, so here is the Pocket 2 and here's my Pocket 3 right here. So sweet. Yeah, there's definitely a difference in quality from the Pocket 2 to the Pocket 3. You can tell that this has a 1-inch sensor. I can hear it kind of probably sit rattling around there. Anyway, the Pocket 2 is great quality, but when you compare it to the Pocket 3, they did right by us by giving us face tracking at 60 frames per second. Now, if that's available on the Pocket 2, let me know. But every time I turn on 60 frames per second and try to vlog with it, face tracking wasn't available on the Pocket 2 at 4K 60, but I could double check that. But now I'm going to sit down in a place over here and vlog real quick and close out the video with the Pocket 3 and the Pocket 2. Let's get it. All right, guys, so here's the Pocket 3 looking just crazy, crispy clear. And then on the Pocket 2, it's looking pretty good too as well. But I like having the bigger display on the Pocket 3. Obviously, they knew we would like that. But the Pocket 2 is pretty good. The face tracking is pretty decent on here. But when you compare the quality with the Pocket 3, it's just almost going to be impossible to say that, you know, the Pocket 2 is better. This beautiful screen is just incredible, man. And the face tracking is so good on here, man. I mean, I don't know. And I did double check. 4K 30 is the highest it'll go for face tracking. Now, one thing I like about the Pocket 3 is all the controls are right on the screen. With the Pocket 2, I'm having to swipe up to control the switch around, and it's just more, they did it right, man. Giving it a bigger screen is a huge plus, and I'm so glad that I went on ahead and ordered, man. Definitely worth the $670 price tag. Just having a better 1-inch sensor is it's a major upgrade. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and a quick vlog with this thing. I cannot wait. Let me switch off the 2. I cannot wait to start vlogging with this thing and getting it going. The battery life on here is probably going to be decent, but I'm going to use that extended battery. That is why I got the creator's kit, because I said, you know, I'm definitely going to want to vlog with this thing a lot. So having the creator's kit was a must. And I found out that there's a lot of people on YouTube using the Pocket 2. They were using the Pocket 2 as their device to vlog with. So that was pretty cool. And I was the only one probably not doing that. Now, using a big camera is cool, but this right here is about convenience, and the editing time will be the same. You know, you still got to pop the card out, get in the Mac or whatever you're using to edit and get things done. But overall, I'm definitely happy with my purchase right now. So I'll get this thing charged up. I'll get my battery, my mic plugged up. As a matter of fact, let me hook up the mic real quick and show you what that sounds like before I get out of here. I'm really excited about that mic. All right, so I put the mic on now, face track enable. I also put on the grip, the battery extender, and the tripod mount, because this is how I'm going to probably keep this thing. But I wanted to see how the audio was, and you monitor the gains of your audio right here on the screen, man. It's a little green bar that pops up and lets you know what your levels are, and if you need to adjust. Let me see if I can get a quick little sample for you here. If you need to adjust, here we go. You can see the gains of the audio right there as I put it up for you right there. So I got a little side video going so you can check this out. But this is so nice to be able to have a real audio and a nice vlogging setup right here, man. This is so dope. So I want to give a shout out though, before I get out of here. I want to shout out a couple of people. And this is like the real deal. So I was watching Holla at Your Boy, my man LaShawn, and he shouted out somebody else. And I got to make sure, I got to check that video again, but I'm pretty sure he shouted out Scoop, the Bionic Scoop. If you don't know who Bionic Scoop is, he's a camera dude. He takes photos and just does camera stuff. Look online, follow him online, the Bionic Scoop on Twitter and YouTube, Instagram. But LaShawn just got some new gear. He got a new camera. And I have a bunch of cameras. I had like 4 cameras, and a lot of lenses. And I thought, man, I got to get rid of some of this stuff. And I saw the announcement of this joint right here, and I thought that'll be a perfect vlogging setup right there. And it's got the 1-inch sensor now, so the quality is going to be off the charts. So, and the creator combo with the mic and everything, yeah, this is going to be a hit. So what I did was, after watching LaShawn's video, I sold a bunch of my camera gear, made just over $600, and took that money and bought this joint right here. And I think it was the best thing I could have done for myself, because I like to vlog, and I like to vlog with convenience. I don't want to carry something around that's real big or whatever. And this right here, if you're a vlogger, this is it, man. This is a nice setup right here. Being able to put it up on a tripod, got the battery extender. Just get the creator's combo if you're a vlogger. The face tracking and everything on here is on point. And the fact that this now has a 1-inch sensor, great vlogging setup for me, man. Outside, this thing is going to be sick. Indoors, it's not giving you probably the best quality that it could possibly do, but when I get this on my car channel, it's going to be sick, folks. I can guarantee you I'm bringing some great content over there. Another thing I like about this Pocket 3 update already, obviously I like the bigger screen, but I like that the controls are right on the screen, easily accessible, instead of having to do a bunch of swiping and things like that on the Pocket 2. Yeah, that's what's up, man. So again, shout out to the Bionic Scoop, because I'm pretty sure he's the one that referred LaShawn to that site. And LaShawn, I was watching your video and you referred me. So that's how I got my Pocket 3. Oof. Yeah, I'm a retired rapper. Nah, but on the real, yeah, I could have gotten this obviously without selling anything, but I was like, you know what? I got rid of a few cameras and some lenses, and I was like, I'm gonna get this joint right here. So basically, I didn't so much, I guess, sell it just to pick this up. But when I saw the announcement of this, I was getting it anyway. And then when I sold the gear, it made sense. I'll just take that cash and put it towards there. So there it is. But this camera right here is going to be really nice for vlogs. It's going to be crazy crispy for the car channel. I know it is. Because this 1-inch sensor is definitely, the quality you can already tell. And you're supposed to be getting better low light with this sensor, obviously, because it's a 1-inch sensor and this setup right here. So I could probably vlog anywhere with this joint and get some great, crazy content, but I like having the gimbal. I'll have more smooth videos. I got better audio. I got a wind filter if I need it. I mean, come on. This is like the ultimate vlogger setup right here, man. Well worth it, man. The creator's kit is $670. I got it from Best Buy. Like I said before, I was going to get it from Amazon, but I saw the shipping dates on Amazon. It was way out to the end of January. And then DJI, when I put it in there directly from them, the shipping dates were way out, and Best Buy has them. So if you ever wanted one of these and you was thinking about getting it, don't just get the camera, but get the creator's kit. It's too many valuable things in there. The extended battery, the tripod, the microphone. I mean, that alone is just going to be a hit. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed a real world vlog and setup for this joint right here. Shout out to my man Mims too, because Mims, I watched your video and I see you just got this joint too. So I'm sure he'll be following up with some more stuff. But for now, it's your man Jay. I'm going to sign off. This is what I'm going to be vlogging with from now on. I know it's a major change from all the Sigma lens and all I still have my main camera set up, but I doubt I'll be vlogging with it anymore after checking this quality out. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.